Hi guys, I'm Dudzic, and today I want to talk about the brand new recorder we just received from Tascam. It's called DR-40X. I choose speak about this model only because lots of you guys ask me what I should get, like basic entry recorder to get and the business what I'm doing with now breaking the bank. And a lot of times I even getting messages from parents. Maybe when like you mom or your dad text me send me a message on Facebook and ask me which recorder I should get for my son for Christmas because he just want to get in this business. So to be honest with you, don't spend crazy money, you know what I mean? You can get like recorder like this thing, which is very well built, very solid, give you great sound quality and have huge potential, and it gets you what you want to do. And trust me, if you know what you're doing, you can come with the amazing results. And I can show you after example how I'm using this thing and what sounds I was able to capture right here in this room where we are today. A lot of you guys see me using my rig and other videos when basically I have my one shotgun microphone, my two condenser mics on the side, and my back when I'm carrying my recorder. And it's all great, and it's a fantastic setup, work phenomenal for me, but it's great when I'm doing session recording around where I'm living, when I'm traveling somewhere in the car. The moment when I'm starting flying somewhere and I just want to bring my recorder with me and get pretty much similar sounds when I'm able to get here, this thing becomes very handy. And I tell you why, because it's a 4-track recorder at the same time. It's mean on the back, I can plug my additional shotgun microphone. Well, I have it right here. And, oh, sorry, my headphones already plugged because I want to show you after. But I can attach under, and I have my pretty much same setup rig, what I'm using when I come to the junkyard or other places when I'm recording sound. And the bottom line, when I travel, it takes almost zero space in my luggage and fits everywhere. I can even carry this with me with carry-on when I'm going on the plane, with no worry like I'm gonna lose this thing or something. Because trust me, if I travel, it's like I'm okay losing clothes, but I would be not too happy if my gear is gonna get lost. So I always carry this with me on the plane. So that's the reason. Now let me show you my setup, because you guys ask me how I'm doing this thing. So I just show you how I did this thing. So first of all, when I'm working outside, if it's windy, I'm using this little windscreen. I don't know why people call this thing dead cat. So I will show you today the way how I'm using, how this thing's built. So hope you're gonna enjoy this video and you'll have a chance to check this new DR-40X recorder from Tascam. It's really cool. It's a great, I would say even more than entry-level recorder, because the bottom line is like, if you don't know what you're doing, you can spend $1,000 on a recorder and it's not gonna get you anything. The whole idea behind this thing is to know what you're doing and know what sound you want to get. So always remember, get closer to the sounds and you will be just fine. And today, and the digital recorders, they're all pretty much doing the same thing, you know. So a lot of people, other things, a lot of people are gonna say like, what about the noise level or something? To be honest with you, if I'm recording an environment like I am right now in the like body shop, if there's any noise, the noise is a part of the sound. This is what makes the sound live to me. So why I want to eliminate this sound? You know, might as well just go and fake this sound in home or something. So I doesn't really worry about the noises, because the noise is just a part of the sounds and it's part of the reverb or natural acoustics. So I never worry about this thing. So how about this? Enough talking, and let's go for a little ride, and I can show you how I'm using this thing, record it, and you can hear the example how it sounds. So hope you're gonna like it and you're gonna give it a shot and try it, because I do, and I'm very happy with. So now there you have it. That's the new Tascam DR-40X. It's a great recorder for the entry level for you if you want to start anything you want to get in this business, and hope you're gonna enjoy it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.